Well, I think I have something to offer to the people of Youngstown as a municipal court judge.
I know that I'm the one to do that.
Well, two lawyers looking to be Youngstown's next municipal court judge. We will know the winner tomorrow. Good evening, I'm Stan Boney. Dave and Mandy are off tonight. Primary election day in Ohio is tomorrow, and one race that has created some interest is that for Youngstown Municipal Judge. 27 First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti looks at the campaign and the candidates looking to get the nomination.
Theirs is one of the few contested races in this spring's Democratic primary in Youngstown, and one of the only ones with ads running on TV.
The last thing Youngstown needs is a judge who does not follow the law.
Mahoning County Assistant Prosecutor Marty Hume points to current City Law Director Jeff Limbian's past issues with back taxes and unpaid parking tickets.
Well, I've said from the very beginning that a lack of responsibility is a legitimate campaign issue.
Politics in the city of Youngstown can still be a blood sport, and Mr. Hume should be ashamed of himself.
Both Limbian and Hume have run unsuccessfully for judge positions in the past. They're now challenging each other to win their party's nomination and face incumbent Republican municipal judge Rene DeSalvo in November.
And I think this is my time to be successful in showing that a court can be responsive to the people of the city of Youngstown.
But Hume argues he has the most experience.
I think if you want somebody that has 36 years experience in the law, you want somebody that's 18 years experience as a prosecutor.
As for the tax and parking ticket issues, Limbian tells me his financial problems began years ago with high college tuition debt, which he admits ultimately led to a bankruptcy filing. But he insists his bills have now all been paid. Hume argues it's a responsibility issue.
If you can't meet your own obligations, why should you be promoted to be a municipal court judge?
And I worked hard to change that. I learned a lot from that process and how a lot of people can get behind the 8 ball pretty easily.
We'll know whose arguments have been more persuasive with voters tomorrow night. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.